Yes.
I was in there. So bangibizile because bayazi ukuthi ngiyabahlupha, so bathi ngizobancedisa. That's why I was here.
Maphosa, yini yakwenza wakhetha ibhola kizo zonke izizathu mina wanna be a football player as good as you are? Yini at football out of other things?
I think into engithandayo vele, into engenza ngijabule, into engenza ukuthi ngibe happy noma ngekho right emoyeni. And like akusinto ukuthi like into yami like vele ngiphiwe yona like vele kumele ngisipanele.
Coming from eDavidton la sazi khona ukuthi khona lento manje sekukhunywa ngayo ka mhlambe ngathi kaSkapi Malazi Junior Khanye Jabu Mahlangu esaziyo ukuthi mhlambe mawuke wathi Davidton then baqala ukudedela badonsele emuva mhlambe wena yak-affect as a player because siyazi ukuthi Davidton there's a stigma ethi if you are from Davidton it means you're not a good player, but wena siyakwazi ukuthi you could play and you've always been giving us a good impression.
Yeah, yona si-affect kakhulu because thina sazama ukuzibonakalisa ukuthi we are different than bona yabo.
Yes,
because thina vele ibhola like